Consider your electric heating options. For a 10 square metre area, you could use a column heater at 1800 watts. A small air conditioner would use around 2000 watts. Radiant ceiling heat lamps would use around 1600 watts. And the Coldbuster floor heating system would use around 800 watts. Why do we come up the most efficient? It's down to spreading the heat evenly and letting it rise naturally. Plug-in column heaters produce a radiant heat. By their design, they tend to concentrate heat on one side of the room, often just overcompensating in one area. As a result, only one side of the body is warmed. Air conditioning produces a convective heat cycle. Hot air is blown to one side of the room, cools, sinks, and returns to be reheated. By their design, air conditioners concentrate heat below the ceiling. Extra power is required to push the heated air around the room in an attempt to achieve even heating. Hot air in convective systems is typically dry and will rise to the ceiling. For larger open plan areas, air conditioning can become particularly inefficient in spreading the heat evenly in the room. Radiant ceiling lamps are mainly found in bathrooms and are not suitable for heating larger areas, having a double disadvantage. Firstly, radiant heat is concentrated around the source. Secondly, heat naturally rises, and being mounted on the ceiling, heat lamps use more energy to force heat down to warm the head and the shoulders. Coldbuster floor heating is focused on the colder parts of the body. The body is warmed through the feet as heat naturally rises to body height. Coldbuster uses less power than a radiator as it automatically spreads heat evenly through the room, avoiding a concentration of heat in one corner. Coldbuster uses less power than an air conditioner as it uses radiant heat that is automatically spread evenly through the room. It does not require extra power to blow hot air around the room. For bathrooms, Coldbuster uses less power than ceiling heat lamps as it is more effective to have hot air naturally rise to warm the bathroom. The feet are comfortable, warm through conduction. As well as being the more energy efficient heating system of these, Coldbuster is the only one that will warm the floor finish. It takes the chill off the tiles or warms your carpet and timber floor finish. Finally, Coldbuster uses less power than other forms of floor heating. Coldbuster is so thin it can be installed directly below the floor finish, not deeper in the screed layer, resulting in a quicker warm-up time and consequently uses less energy. When comparing your heating options, make sure you consider the hidden costs and compare the energy used by each system. Coldbuster can provide a full and upfront estimate of running costs with every quote to help your decision. You can find out more in our video comparing your electric floor heating options.